Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Lynette with the Skin Candy. We are kind of plowing through these Valentine's Day soaps. We are wanting to get them up on YouTube so that you guys can see them, so that when you do see these, they'll be either available when we air this or very shortly after. These are going to be our soaps are going to be part of a gift set that will include a lotion, bath bomb, and a soap. And they will be all in the same fragrance. The fragrance we are working on today is Strawberry and Peach Champagne. And this is a fragrance by Midwest Fragrance Company. Now, so far, I have only used their fragrances in candles, and they are divine. And actually, no, I lied. No, I did make some Strawberry Peach Champagne bath bombs for a customer. And they turned out amazing. And so I'm really excited to use this in a candle, but I thought I'd go ahead and use it in a soap. It says in here that the max amount you can use is 15% of the weight of your oils. I do not use that much. I did that once on another scent that was, I believe it was our 4th of July. No, sorry, not our 4th of July. It was one of our July birthstone soaps. That's what it was. And it took months for it to harden. It was so soft. And it was the same recipe I'd always used. The only contributing factor that I could find was that I had used 15% of fragrance oil. I have learned my lesson. I will never go that high again. I will never go over like 5 to 8%. And so today I'm going to be using about 6% for the Strawberry Peach Champagne. And to my water, to my oils, I still have a cracky voice, so I'm sorry. We are doing palm free. It is olive oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, castor oil, apricot kernel oil. Yes. So I've got that all in there, all melted to go. It is 84 degrees, and my lye is 88 degrees. So we're good. Now, I've never used this in soap, so I am not going to be adding any additives to this batch. I am going to be keeping it just oils and lye. The only thing I did with my lye is that I did add some sodium lactate just to help it come out. It helps it harden. It helps it come out of the silicone molds more easily. And I added 2 tablespoons of cane sugar to this, which just helps with bubbles. And the reason why is because the last batch, if you saw the last video of our love spell, I have never had my love spell go that crazy before. It started thickening up, and it was fine until I put the stick blender in it, which was to my demise. So I am not going to do that this time. I am going to I'm going to be hand blending in my lye water into my solution, and then I will be hand blending in my fragrance oil. We will be splitting it off into colors. The 2 colors I'm using today are a mixture. It's Tequila Sunrise by Micas. And then it is a mixture of their red blend. I believe it's Here Comes the Bride. And then another red that I had laying around called Raspberry Pop. And it's by TKB Trading. I don't think I've ever used TKB Trading's stuff before. It just happened to be some mica that I got from a friend. So, I usually always use Mad Micas just because they've always been my go-to. So, this is my red, kind of my reddish, pinkish blend. I didn't want like red, because strawberries aren't really red. Maybe they are, but they're kind of a pinkish, and so this has kind of got some pink undertones. So I'm pretty sure this is Here Comes the Bride. It was in an unmarked can. Again, it was some micas that a friend gave me years ago, and I wanted to be able to use it up so I can justify buying more. So, and this is the Tequila Sunrise. I'm hoping that it's not going to be too much. And then I'm also going to be adding some titanium dioxide. I have a couple of bottles of titanium dioxide that have been mixed. This is mixed this is 1 to 3 and 1 to 3 parts water. I'm not sure. It looks like it's a very thick blend, so I don't know. It's fine. So we're going to be doing titanium dioxide 1, and then we're going to be doing a swirl. Then we're going to be adding some glitter. I think I'm going to do a combination of the Moroccan Sky glitter. Now this is by Nurture Soap. And I called Glitterati Glitter by Nurture Soap. Thinking I might do a little bit of both of those. We'll just see how it goes. If anything goes like the last one, we're going to have to move really fast. So I'm going to stop talking and start moving, and this is going to probably, hopefully won't go very fast, and hopefully it's going to give me a lot of time to work. We have 2 fruits, which usually means lots of working time, but I'm not going to hold my breath because loving spells the same way, and it almost seized on me. So without further ado, let's get soaping. I'm really starting to like that swirl. And there we have the peach, strawberry peach champagne, glitified. And we will be back tomorrow, which will be a few seconds for you for the cut. See you later.